How to use Peacock Dolby Atmos audio. First of all, make sure that you are subscribed to the Premium Plus plan. If you have not, simply open any web browser of your choice, head to the peacocktv.com, tap on this Get Peacock option, scroll downwards within this plan section, you will find the Premium Plus over here. Choose your option between manual and monthly, tap on any of these options and proceed to type in your details and head to the payment section. From there, pay your bills and you should be able to access this Premium Plus option. Once you have signed up to this plan, you simply have to open the Peacock application itself or simply head to the browser and once again access the Peacock TV site. Once you're here, sign into your account which has Premium Plus in it and then find that exact TV show or movie which supports the Dolby Atmos audio and make sure that your hardware also is compatible for Dolby Atmos audios. Now simply start streaming it and you should be good to go. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.